Hello people, Sedo Kingdom here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a mixer to an amplifier. This is the second part of connecting mixer to amplifier. To start, I'm going to show you the cables that I would recommend using in this video. So we're going to connect this mixer to an amplifier using aux. Aux is the button that controls monitor sense. This is the aux. So we are going to connect this mixer to all these amplifiers using aux. So aux is where we're going to be using the jacks to XLRs. So we're going to be using jack to XLRs. This is mono, so I would recommend you using stereo cables. So this is the stereo one. This is a balanced cable. Guys, I will leave a link on my description because I've already made these cables, and if you would like to see or to know how to make these cables, I'm going to turn the mixer around and the amplifiers around. So last time I showed you guys how to connect using these stereo outputs, whereby this is the main controls the sound from the mixer to the amplifier. On today's video I'm going to show you how to connect from aux to the amplifiers, whereby these buttons, the blue buttons, are going to control the sound from the mixer to the amplifier. So I'm going to use aux 1. I'm going to be using aux 1, aux 2 and aux 3, 4 auxes to control the sound from the mixer to the amplifier. So we're going to start with aux number 1. Aux number 1. From aux number 1, this XLR going to the first amplifier, the first input of the first amplifier. Next we're going to use aux number 2. This aux number 2 from the mixer going straight to the second channel of my amplifier. So next, aux number 3 going straight to the second amplifier, the first channel. Then aux number 4 coming from the mixer, from aux number 4 going to the amplifier, the second channel on the second amplifier. I've already connected the mixer to the amplifier, so this mixer is connected to the first two amplifiers. So I'm going to power them up, and then I'm going to play some music so that you can see the sound coming from the mixer to the amplifier to the speakers. Before I could power them up, I have to connect the amplifiers to my speakers. So I'm going to be using the speak-ons to speak on, because they are easy to connect and fast. So the first channel output goes to my speaker, the first speaker. Then the second output from the first amplifier goes to my second speaker. For the second amplifier, I don't have speak-ons for the outputs, so I have this either connect the naked speak-on to naked, or use banana plugs. For me, I will use this naked to speak on. So I've wired here for the first channel of this amplifier, going to my second speaker. Second output from the amplifier going to the fourth of the speakers. So my mixer is connected to my amplifiers and the 4 speakers. So I'm going to turn them around, power them up, and then play some music to show you how this works. This is the complete setup. So my phone is playing and the audio is in the mixer. So these are the outputs. These are the volume that controls the sound coming from the mixer to my amplifiers. So let me turn them down first. So for the first amplifier, it has 2 inputs from the mixer. So the first outputs for the first speaker, this is my first speaker. The second output, my second speaker, and the third and the fourth. So I'm going to play some music. If I turn this on, the first speaker is going to start ringing. So that's my first speaker. That's my second speaker, my third speaker. This is my fourth speaker. So if you're new here and you're watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and God will bless you.
Okay, have it. Say I'm acting different, I'm just looking like my daddy.